You searched how to buy shares of SSP Group Plc. SSP operates food and beverage concessions and retail outlets across airports and travel hubs, and it is listed on the LSE PLC under the ticker SSPG.L. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can place orders. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker SSPG.L to locate the listing for SSP Group Plc. Select the matching result to open the company page. On the asset page, review the basic company information in the price chart to understand recent market activity. Confirm the company name in ticker SSPG.L to ensure this is the correct stock. Click Buy or Trade, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or placed as a limit, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, your open position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is provided in the description if you want to follow the same example.